Hello all my scrappy friends, welcome back to my channel for another Tuesday morning haul, and I'm excited about this one because it's a mega haul and I cannot wait to share with you the goodies that I found. However, I am letting you know this is going to be my last Tuesday morning haul for a while, and that is because any extra funds that I had, of course I had to race over to Tuesday morning and get some scrapbooking supplies, and but now I'm going to take that extra funds every week and apply it to our trip. So my husband and I decided we want to take the kids to the snow. They've never been in the snow, and well, one time they did, but it barely covered the ground. But and that was when they were little. But now that they're older, we want to take them where they actually learn how to snowboard or ski, whatever they decide to do. So they'll take some lessons, and then we will, I snowboard, so I'll be snowboarding while my husband snowboards, and yeah, so it's just going to be a lot of fun, and that is where I'm applying our extra funds to that trip. So I cannot wait. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started on what I have. So speaking of winter, speaking of the holidays coming up, not that I needed any more holiday collections or Christmas collections. I found this one. It's by Echo Park. It's from 2013. It's called 'Tis the Season. Here is why I had to have this one. I always justify why I purchased it. I'm like, there's a reason. It is because of this color right here, gray. Gray, if you have followed me for a while, you know that that is my favorite neutral color. We don't see a lot of it in scrapbooking supplies. Kind of like how purple was, but purple's coming out now, so I'm hoping maybe they start to do that with a gray. But I love this, so I figured, this is the perfect collection for my son's December daily, and I really, really like that. So let me go ahead and give you that product code. It was only $5.99. That product code is 2034848. Here's the sticker sheet that you get. Really usable stickers. I mean, I could use this whole stickers. You know how sometimes on a sticker sheet you might only be able to use half because, I don't know, the shapes or the size or for whatever reason. This, though, with all the elements that they have, I find really, really usable on anything. So, super excited about that. Another thing that I was really happy with that I've never seen before, it's not really a branding strip, but the advertisement sheet of what all you get in the collection. I don't even know what this is called, but anyways, the front part of the collection that shows you all the papers and all the stickers and everything else that you get. Normally it's always white, a blank paper on the back side, and I've used that to map my photos, and I have used at one point for a background, I've used a piece of this that shows all the pattern papers because it kind of reminded me of branding strips or washi tape. But I really loved how they did this, and I don't know if they are still doing it. Definitely leave me a comment below if you know that. But I love the fact that they offer this cut apart sheet on back so you don't waste any of it. So I really, really love that. So yeah, I purchased that. Okay, so there's that. Hopefully the glare is not too bad for you. And then, I had to buy a second one, right? Even though I don't need this, but I'm a sucker for these colors. I really love this color combination. It fits my daughter's style and mine perfectly because we love all these colors. And so I did get this one. It's the Holly Jolly Christmas. This is from 2011, and it's the same thing. On the back of this paper this is the cut apart sheet that comes with it, and I love that. And this is from 2011, so they were even doing it back then. So that product code is 2034845 for $5.99. And here is the sticker sheet. Again, I find that all these stickers are really user friendly. Like, I could use them all up. I really love this one right here. Where it looks like the string of ornaments. And so just really cute. And I love these little houses. Kind of reminds me of a village. So I'm excited to play with this one as well. So that's the Holly Jolly Christmas from Echo Park from 2011. Okay, I think I got all my Christmas stuff off to the side that I want to show you. Alright, so next I was excited about this because my friend Susanna Lee here on YouTube and Instagram she messaged me and she goes, Desiree, get to your Tuesday morning quick because Pebbles has their newest Cozy and Bright 2018 collection. And so I found that they had this puppy stickers. They had a ton of them. So I picked up one because they constantly repeat. So I didn't need to have a second one. But that product code is 2058326 for only $1.99. Super cute little puppy stickers. So I purchased that. And to go along with it, I also purchased the ephemera. Now, I didn't realize until I watched Susanna's Tuesday morning haul share that there is 2 ephemera packs. I guess there's 2 different ones. I just found only this one. So I picked that up because that's the only one that they had. And that product code is 2058327 for $1.99. I don't know how many pieces you get, but you get 34 stickers in this one. So I got those. Then I also picked up these. I love rosettes. I know that I've watched a ton of videos where you can make, I could make my own, but I'm kind of a lazy scrapper. If I could already purchase one that's already made, that is what I'm going to do. So I got these, and I know that with the 16 boxes, yes, I said 16 pizza boxes full of Christmas collections, I'm sure that I will find one of those to match. I have been saving Christmas. Every year I buy more and more Christmas collections because I don't know, just one of my favorite times of the year, and I need to stop, right? Because I think I have enough now for the next 16 years. Anyways, but that product code is 2043857 for only $1.99. Then I found these for $1.49 by American Craft, and it looks like you could just stick them on presents, but I actually want to use them in my layout. Really nice and well made. Has the glitter, it has a brad of snowflakes, you get 4 of them, and that product code is 2043915, so I picked up one of those. This might have been a repeat, I cannot remember, but I can always use snowflakes. I feel like I'd never have enough. So I found another one of these stickers, and that product code is 2043856 for $1.99 for 38 of them. Then I found this cute stamp set by Bo Bunny, and you guys all know how I feel about these stamp sets because for $2.99 you cannot beat the price, especially when I see stamp sets for like $25. So this product code is 2022993. I just thought it was perfect for making Christmas cards, which I really want to start getting into. And I like to do them all the same, just on like on assembly line. I don't make them super fancy, just very, very simple. And I thought this was perfect with the Santa and have a little saying on it. And then one year I could do the tree or something. So I picked that up as well. And speaking of Christmas cards, I did find this, which I was really, really excited about because I have wanted this since it came out the first time around because Snow and Coco was released twice. But it's the 7 cards and it's for $2.99 and it's 2017262. And on some of them, I felt like I could add my own embellishments. So the ones that don't really have anything on it, I could add my own, and I thought that would be a lot of fun. So pick that up. And I'm trying to squeeze everything in here. Next, I purchased these, and I thought this would be a lot of fun, are these sequins. So actually you can see why right there. They had shapes in them, and normally I just see them in just the circles, and I always pass that because I don't, that's so funny. Is that, oh, it's down in there. It looked like it was on top of the lid. I don't know if you can see that, but it looked like it was actually on top. Anyways, they're always circle sequins, and this one actually had shapes to them, so I bought them specifically for the snowflakes. So super cute. That product code is 2014867. It's called Crafts and Sequins in Tins, and I'm assuming this BLI is for the Blizzard. Like I think they're calling this collection Blizzard. I also picked up this one, and let me see if I can open it for you guys. So this one is called Woods, and it is because super cute for December daily. See the Christmas tree? Tell me if that's not adorable. So I picked that up. That product code is 2014868 for $1.99. Now, moving on, I picked up this Glitzy stack. So you get 12 sheets, 2 of every color for $1.99, and it's 2055906. And let me just show you the colors you get. You get silver, pink, or fuchsia, aqua. I love this one. It's black, but it has like silver glitter in it. It's so cool looking. Gold, and then I believe it repeats to silver again. So I picked up one of those. Also got this chipboard. It's called Christmas in the Village. It's black with gold glitter, really classic font. So I thought that was great. It was $2.19, and that product code is 2057452. So I picked up one of those. Then I also picked up this Bo Bunny Butterfly Kisses stamp. They did another one that was a layered butterflies that I purchased last time. But when I saw this one, I love butterflies. To me, it reminds me of a staple in your stash, where circles and triangles are all kind of staples that you'll always use over and over again. I think butterflies are the same way. So that product code is 2022991 for $2.99. Also got this We Are Memories craft knife. Every time I get one, mine always falls out and doesn't seem to stay, or just breaks. So I'm trying this one for only $2.99, and that product code is 2030928. So hopefully it's a little bit better made. I found this Maggie Holmes. I never purchased this. I remember this when it came out. I don't even know from what collection. But I thought it would be fun to put on cards and layouts as well. And that product code is 2045055 for only $1.49. This one I was excited about because I see some of you guys get stuff from the clearance section. So I looked in mine. Mine didn't really have anything good to pick, but I did see this, and I literally picked it up for only $1. And even though I don't have that tab punch, I have this one, which is different. And I do have the stickers that go with this one. I couldn't resist for $1 because this is what I'd use for my December daily anyways. And it's just so that way I could put hole punches in it and not adhere it to the paper and not the photograph. And that product code is 1815223. Then the date stamp that I have used forever, I have only 2 date stamps, but this is the one I tend to use the most. In fact, I've never used the other one. I don't even know where that one is at. But I used this one. The last year is this year. So I needed to have something for my 2019. So I found this one by American Craft, and that product code is 1974176 for $2.99, and it goes all the way up to 23. So really happy about that. Really excited that I found this. I remember when this collection was out, it was the Stay Colorful by Dear Lizzie, and I found this for only $2.19, which is super cheap when it comes to these little stamps. And I love these type of stamps. I love different sizes, different fonts, because they're really easy to use in my traveler's notebook. And that product code was 2057338 for only $2.19. Now, along with this, I found this sticker sheet. They had a ton of them, so I picked up one. But I love the mermaids, the unicorns, just something really fun and cute for my daughter. And that product code is 2057286. I think it's very sweet. And I'm like obsessed right now with these houses. Has a cute little ice cream truck that literally reminds me of when I was a little girl. And unfortunately, we don't have ice cream trucks anymore where we live. And I was just about ready to leave, and I thought, you know, let me look one more time. And this was literally buried in the very, very back of a rack. And it goes with the Stay Colorful stickers and stamp that I purchased. And that product code is 205588885 for $2.99. And let me go ahead and flip through. You get 2 of each sheet, so I'll show you each one in case you're interested. It should be, there we go, and then it repeats again. So a ton of paper. found Vicki Boutin ephemera pack that goes with the tags that I had purchased and the paper pad that I had purchased as well. So that product code is 2037060 for only $1.99. And then here is the ephemera pieces that you get. They only had one of these. They didn't really have much of Vicki Boutin, so I guess we're all going crazy over Vicki Boutin right now. But I'm glad that I was able to find it, just because these colors I don't have in my stash. So because I had the paper pad, I was really hoping to find a few more pieces, which I'm glad I did. Just like I said, to tie in with the paper pad that I bought, because I don't have a lot of these colors in my stash. And that product code is 2037062 for $2.99. I was a little iffy about this one because of the price, but again, it's because I just don't have a whole lot of these colors in my stash. So I was really excited about that. And getting down to almost the last bit now. Whenever I go to Tuesday morning, I also think of, you know, what am I going to use? Am I going to use it? Or is there a collection that I have that maybe I don't have any embellishments to go with it? So I purchased this, and this has probably been, oh gosh, yeah, it's from July. But that product code is 2012341 for $1.99. And I don't know if you could see the gold foiling on this, but they're wood pieces. And the reason why I purchased this is going back to what, 2005 maybe, Basic Gray. Anybody remembers the distressed collections that they were coming out with? And there was no ephemera. I only had the alphabet sheet that comes with that collection. And I'm thinking of like Sublime. I want to say it's Sublime that these colors are in. So I thought this would be really perfect to kind of go with those papers. Yeah, so that's why I purchased this. And I don't know if anyone's crazy like me, but if you are like me, or like some of us scrappers who are getting ready for December Daily, I was thinking how I love my fuse tool for December Daily. I love fusing the pocket sleeves. And when I was getting all of my December Daily or Christmas stuff out to work on my December Daily from 2016 that I still have yet to finish, but that's a whole nother story, I realized, gosh, if this fuse tool breaks, I don't know what I'm going to do, because I have Becky's from Project Life that I purchased at Michael's. I'm like, I don't even know if they still sell that there. However, I'm like, if they don't, what am I going to do? Well, lo and behold, on this trip, they had the We Are Memories one for only $9.99, and I scooped it up because I needed a backup. So is anyone else out there like me? Please say I'm not alone, where we buy backup tools in case one of them decides to, you know, go to another place, right? And I definitely needed to have this because, like I said, I just don't want my other one to break. I'm a little concerned about it. But anyways, that product code is 2052345. My Tuesday morning had a ton of these. So if you're looking for a fuse tool, hopefully they have them at your location as well. And that is it, guys. That is my goodies. This is going to, you know, this is a mega haul for me. I'm super excited about everything that I found. It was a fun trip, and it's going to be a while before I post another one. But that's okay, because now I'm super excited to start playing with all these goodies. So definitely stick around my channel to watch me put kits together and create with what I found. All right, everybody, thank you so much for joining me here on my channel, and you all have a wonderful day. And if you celebrate Thanksgiving, have a wonderful Thanksgiving with all of your loved ones. Bye.